Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Evernote for note-taking efficiency, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Evernote and create a new notebook for your specific projects. Use descriptive titles for your notebooks to easily identify their purpose. Create stacks to group related notebooks and enhance organization. Set up tags for easy categorization of notes, allowing for quick retrieval later. Use a consistent tagging system, such as project names or status levels. Start a new note by clicking the New Note button. Utilize the Note Templates feature to streamline note creation for common tasks. Incorporate checkboxes in your notes for task management and tracking progress. Add tables to organize information clearly, especially for project details. Make use of the Web Clipper extension to save articles or web pages directly into Evernote. Include images and sketches in your notes to enhance understanding. Experiment with the formatting options to improve readability, such as headings and font styles. Set reminders for important tasks or deadlines tied to specific notes. Use the search function to quickly locate notes by keywords or phrases. Sync your notes across devices to access them from anywhere at any time. Regularly review and declutter your notebooks and notes to maintain efficiency. Take advantage of Evernote's integration with other tools to streamline your workflow. Consider using the premium features, like offline access and increased upload limits, for optimal use. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your note-taking efficiency in Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.